Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this case, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a very good day. I don't think anybody can argue and say, no, today wasn't a good move. I mean, closing way up there when the price, yesterday closed right there. Point being, everybody would agree, good day. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at $1.45. Why is $1.45 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.45. Any sort of closes below $1.45, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing into the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. And if you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do over the long term. They progress, they drift upwards. And I'm just defining drifting upwards as staying up above $1.45. Now, ideally speaking, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can hold up above that point right there at $1.80, that would by far make the chart look the strongest. But by no means am I saying that if $1.80 fails, that everything's ruined or anything like that. That would just make the chart, like I said, the most attractive. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? First area of resistance on any sort of bounce, I'm going to go ahead and call right there at the $2 mark. Kind of some price congestion right around there, $2, and then more so kind of probably the best would be calling this a resistance zone. So from basically $2 up to $2.10, we'll call this a little resistance zone right here. And then after that, essentially a miniature blue sky breakout as next level of resistance is not up until there. Now, I'm not saying if 210's broken that within 2 seconds it's going to be up to 250, but really no other technical levels if the price can kind of get through this little mud pit here for the bull. So if the bulls can plow through the mud pit right here from 2 to 210, then momentum could definitely pick back up. So overall, though, good solid day. Now it's just a question of can the bulls, continue to build upon this momentum going forward. We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.